YouTube shorts are killing my productivity at work, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove them completely in 2025. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search menu and type Chrome Web Store and press enter. Select the first site. No, second site, the Google official site, and then in search extension, you just need to type enhancer for YouTube. Select the first enhancer for YouTube. Select the add to Chrome option and select the add extension. After adding it, select the extension and the extension has been opened, guys. Just scroll down under appearance. You just need to a little bit scroll down. Hide shorts. You can able to see option. Just check mark it, and then that's it, guys. Just go back to shorts and reload it. Just go back to YouTube, and there is no shorts listed, guys. As you can see, the shorts area has been disappeared over here. And now my problem is gone, guys. Whenever I feel at my work like 1 to 2 minutes, I will suddenly going to the YouTube shorts, and that is my problem. So the problem won't it be acquired right now. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.